Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money with Zelle for PNC Bank. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send and receive money directly to and from your PNC Bank account. To get started, you will need to have a PNC Bank account and be enrolled in online banking or the PNC mobile banking app. First, you will need to access your PNC Bank account through online banking or the mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section and select Send Money with Zelle. If you have not already enrolled in Zelle, you will be prompted to do so by accepting the terms of service and providing some basic information. Next, you will need to add the recipient to your Zelle network. You can do this by entering the recipient's email address or US mobile phone number. The recipient will then receive an email or text message with instructions on how to receive the payment. To send money with Zelle, simply enter the amount you want to send and select the account you want to use to fund the payment. You can use your checking or savings account to send money with Zelle. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct and then select Send. The recipient will typically receive the payment within minutes, but it may take up to one business day depending on the recipient's bank. You will receive a confirmation email or text message once the payment has been sent and another when the payment has been received by the recipient. It is important to note that Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service and should only be used to send money to people you know and trust. You should never use Zelle to send money to someone you do not know or to pay for goods or services from an unknown vendor. In addition to sending money, you can also use Zelle to request money from others. To do this, simply select the Request Money option and enter the amount you want to request and the recipient's email address or US mobile phone number. The recipient will then receive a notification with instructions on how to send the payment. Overall, sending money with Zelle for PNC Bank is a fast and easy way to send and receive money directly to and from your bank account. By following these steps, you can use Zelle to send money to friends and family with ease and convenience.